What products will benefit from Econic's technology is captured in our vision to redeem CO2 to shape essential products for good. So if you look at our two target markets, polyols for the polyurethane industry, then effectively they're ubiquitous and essential. They work to insulate, they work to lightweight, and we're just making them better and more sustainable. So these are the foams that we sit on in our car or in our furniture at home, the mattresses that we sleep on, the insulation in our car or in our fridge or in our house are all polyurethane systems. So to make those products more sustainable but the same level of performance and the same cost is absolutely what we're committed to do. If you then look at our second target market, it's surfactants. And surfactants are the key ingredient in water-based formulations. And water-based formulations are used for the cleaners that clean our house, for our personal care products, for paints, for coatings, and for, again, essential products that we use every day. So we really are redeeming CO2 and shaping essential products for good.